We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M276nw. So with this printer there's about only two places that you'll see jams. The first one I always like to check is going to be the back. So right here, you'll just put your finger in this indentation, pull this back, and then you would then clear your jam. Anytime you're clearing a jam, doesn't matter what printer it is, but you'll need to pull slowly and gently. If you yank and go really fast, you could rip some pieces of paper off inside there or damage some sensors. Both of those will cause more jams. So be careful. And then if you're not seeing it there, a lot of times it'll be right here. Pretty easy to pull up and out. Yet again, be very careful, go slow. If you're seeing lots of jams, it's probably time to bring your printer in for service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.